Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Well,
we're just holding. The judge will be on in a minute. Please
Okay.
remain.
good morning. This is cause number 2018-61964 in the interest of Braden Wilson. Uh, all parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Tamika Smith. I'm the mother of Braden Wilson.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Leslie Wilson. I'm the father of Braden Wilson.
And for the state.
Marcella Turner.
We've got a suit for modification of support order and motion to confirm support rearage. We're having a hearing today. Is there any stipulations?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have stipulated to the cash medical support amount, the new cash medical support amount in the amount of $75.
All right, and the issues are the modification of support and uh, support arrearages
Yes,
and
and
payout.
payout. And the payout. Correct, Your Honor.
All right, let's proceed.
At this time, the state would ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior court order signed on September 12th of 2018, where Mr. Wilson was ordered to pay $364 in child support, $115 in medical support, both of those to begin on October 1st of 2018.
All right.
At this time, the state would also like to offer into evidence what has been marked as State's Exhibit 1, which is the financial activity report in this matter.
Any objection to me looking at the financial activity report, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, sir.
You have any objections of me looking at the financial activity report?
No.
And Ms. Smith, you have any objections to that?
No.
All right, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
At this time, the state would like to call Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, are you currently employed?
No.
And do you receive any sort of income each month?
Unemployment.
And how much do you receive on a weekly basis before taxes with unemployment?
Besides the 300 that come from that, the I guess from the government, it's like 283, but it's 383 right now.
It's
But right now,
383.
I think it's 383. After it, for the couple of months, they're gonna stop that extra $400. They're gonna go
Mhm.
back. They're gonna go back to 283.
Okay. And do you have any other children under the age of 18?
No.
file. And you had an opportunity to discuss the past due arrears on your account with myself. Is that correct?
Right.
You understand that we'll be taking a judgment for that past due amount of 7,000. I'm sorry, Your Honor. You understand that we'll be taking a judgment for that past due amount in the amount of $7,375.25 past due child support arrears.
Right.
And how much do you think you would be able to afford on this due amount each month after we take that judgment?
It's kind of hard to say because of the amount that I'm bringing in,
Mhm.
probably $50, probably.
Okay. And you understand, or we discussed the past due amount of your medical support arrears, that date as of February 28th of 2021, and it was just $6. Did we also discuss that as well?
Yes, I think.
And you understand that we'll take a judgment even though it's just $6 for $6 as well. Is that correct?
Right.
Are these
And
stipulations then, the arrearages are also stipulations and the amount of monthly, the pay rate is also stipulation?
no, Your Honor, the payout on the judgment is not stipulated to. We discussed the arrearage amount. However, Ms. Smith was not in agreement with what was proposed.
Ms. Smith was not in agreement. Okay. All right, go
Yes,
ahead.
correct. And Mr. Wilson, we also had an opportunity to discuss the new or the modified guideline child support amount as well after we calculated your income. Is also correct?
Right.
And were you in agreement with the modified amount of child support being $280?
Yes, ma'am.
$280.
$280, yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right. Just for this witness, I'll pass the witness.
All right, Miss Smith, do you have any questions of Mr. Wilson?
Yes, I'm not satisfied with the amount that is going to change. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, listen to what I'm saying. Do you have any questions for
No, I
Mr.
don't.
Wilson?
No, I don't.
Okay,
No.
I'm gonna give you an opportunity to say something, but you don't have any
Okay.
questions. All right, go ahead, Miss Turner, next witness.
At this time, the state would like to call Ms. Smith. Ms.
Okay.
Smith, to your knowledge, is Mr. Wilson currently employed?
Okay, repeat that.
To your knowledge, is Mr. Wilson currently employed?
No, ma'am.
And to your knowledge, outside of what Mr. Wilson has already testified to as his income, are you aware of any other income that Mr. Wilson is receiving?
No, ma'am.
And you had an opportunity to discuss with myself the new modified guideline child support amount. Is that correct?
Yes.
And I stated that the modified amount would be $280. Is that also correct?
Yes.
And were you in agreement with that?
No, I'm not. Nope.
And why is that?
Ma'am, I could start from Dave. Okay. I understand from his back pay, his situation. But with
Now,
mine,
objection
I'm
non-responsive.
yes. Now, I take Brayden to school. He's not no bus.
Objection non-responsive.
Okay, the question is,
Okay.
why are you not opposed to that amount?
I'm just, it's just not enough, ma'am. I mean, sir, it's not enough. I'm not satisfied.
Okay.
I'm really not.
And did you also have an opportunity to discuss what the arrears were on this case as of February of the 28th of 2021, what the arrearage amount was? Did we discuss?
In February? Yes, yes.
Okay, and the amount that Mr. Wilson stated he was able to pay an additional $50 on that amount, were you in agreement with that?
No, I'm not.
And why is
No.
that?
Mm-mm.
Why is that?
Ma'am, that's not, it's just not enough. That is not enough. $50? No.
Okay, but you do not have any other proof as to what Mr. Wilson's income is as of today's date, is that correct?
No.
No further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
All right,
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Wilson, do you have any questions for her?
No, sir.
All right, Miss Smith, did you have anything further you wanted to say?
I don't think, one more thing, ma'am, sir. One thing about this is that I already talked with her about this to come see his child. I haven't saw his child. Yes. So I'm asking you, is there any way where he can come? Do he have to come see his child? Or is there any way can he at least come visit or anything?
Oh, Miss Smith, I can't, if he's not visiting with his child, that's not part of this hearing. I can't make
Mm-hmm.
him. I can't make him be a good father. All I can do is make him pay child support.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Well,
All right.
okay. That's about it.
Tamika ain't
All
like
right.
on Peter's house. We video chat all the time, and
What
when a
we
lot of
video
people
chat?
are confusing with
How
your
did we video chat?
So wait a minute. Wait,
Do
wait,
you
wait,
call
wait, wait
me?
a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is not Judge Judy. This is not an argument. You spoke your piece, Miss Smith. Mr. Wilson, you have something you want to say?
yeah, she's trying to put it like I don't never come see it, but uh,
Well, I'm not concerned about whether you're going to see your child or not. You should be seeing your child. I don't care what she
Mm-hmm.
says, whether you do or don't. That doesn't have anything to do with this hearing today, okay? You have something to say about the
Mm-hmm.
child support and their rearages.
no,
All right. Miss Turner, final argument.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. Based upon the testimony here today, the state is asking that the court order that the child support be set at the guideline amount, which is 200 and modified and set at the guideline amount of $280 with the 75 cash medical with both of those amounts beginning on April 1st of 2021. The state is also requesting that the court uh, confirm the past due child support amount as of February 28th of 2021 was previously stated to the court in the amount of $7,375.25 and confirm the past due medical support arrears as of February 28th of 2021 in the amount of $6 and set a payout based upon the testimony today on both of those judgments.
All right. The court finds that court awards arrearage judgments for child support in the amount of $7,375.25 as of February 28, 2021, to be paid at the rate of $50 a month, and for cash medical support in the amount of $31.35 as of February 28, 2021, to be paid at the rate of $6 a month, beginning February 28, 2021. Child support modifications granted. Fathers to pay child support in the amount of $280 and cash medical support in the amount of $75. All payments beginning April 1st, 2021. All of the stipulations are approved. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, one thing, um, the judgment for the past due medical.
Who?
stated that it was $35.
I'm sorry. Were you talking to me, Ms. Turner?
Yes,
Hold
Your
on.
Honor. Did you state
Ms.
that it
Turner,
was
were you talking to me?
$10? Yes.
I'm
The
sorry.
judge,
Were you
the
talking?
judgment for, yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
The judgment for the past due medical support, you stated it was $35?
It seems here it says $31.35.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. The rears on. No, that's the total arrears. Well,
Yeah, it's just $6, but you know,
I'm
I just,
sorry. I'm
I,
terribly sorry. That's my mistake. I was looking at the wrong figures there. That is $6. We'll
okay.
amend that. We'll amend that to say $6, and he will pay that
Just as a lump sum.
lump sum of $6 on.
So will that come out, also come out?
So hold on, to be paid at the rate
It,
paid.
it may not matter about the payout, Your Honor, because the month is not completely over. And so I think that's why it's just at 6. I think by the time he makes his final payment for March, catch up.
Well, we're just going to say not later than. Hold on a minute. $6 to be paid in a lump sum of $6, not later. And March 1st, 2021.
April 1st?
I'm sorry, April 1st. April 1st. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. May we be
All right.
excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.